Okay, so we need to assemble our work together, and this is going to happen over the course of 3 weeks. You're probably going to have to do this almost every single day, so you might be watching this video a lot. So what we have is we have our day one or yesterday's artwork, right? And then we have our new artwork from today. You are going to be gluing the back of yesterday's artwork to the front of today's artwork. Now, both of my pieces are folded, as you can see, because this is going to help us assemble our book. So I have, here it is, I'm literally opening it up like a book. So here is my yesterday's artwork, and here is today's artwork. I have it again, folded it in half. And I'm going to take my Elmer's glue from the art kits, and I am just twisting it open, and I'm going to squeeze a little out. Now when we're gluing, we do not need a lot, we just need a few dots around the edge. So I'm going to go ahead and squeeze my dots all around the edge. And it's important you go around the edge so when you're flipping the pages it's a little bit more secure. And then I might put a few dots in the middle. You don't need to go crazy with too much. And now, this is on the front of my book here. I need to paste the back of it right on top, the back of my previous day. So I'm gonna, boop, press it right on top and push down. And then I need to wait a few minutes to let that dry. And now after this is dry, you can go ahead and check it out and open it up and turn your pages, and you will have your whole book. Now, if you are moving on to a new day, you will need to flip your book to the back, just like that. So the back is right there. Just double check that it's the right way. And then your next day, you're gonna put some glue on the front here. So dot, dot, dotting. And now I'm gluing the back to the front and pressing down. And that is it. And make sure this is kept in a safe place. And you can put your name pretty small on the front just so it's always there. You will need to do that every single day. So remember your previous work, you should be looking at the back of it, and then putting glue on the front of your new work and adding it. So your new work is always going to be towards the end, and you'll see it build up over time, and you'll see your skills develop as these 3 weeks go along. Okay, have fun. I can't wait to see your artwork.